Welcome to our 4th day on a 9-day breathwork challenge for your energy, health, and vitality. Today, we focus on vitality. Our promise is that by the end of this session, you'll feel more alive than ever. So don't skip any round to reap the benefits of each breath. During these 9 breathing sessions, we'll take you step by step into advanced breathing that build on each other. So let's begin. So in this video, we start with Bhastrika Pranayama with a breath hold of 30 seconds. Then we go on to the variation of Tummo's breathing. We hold for 45 seconds and in third set, 60 seconds. And eventually, we end with Bhramari Pranayama to distribute all this energy which we created into our whole body. So in the first one, my friends, both inhale and exhale are active processes in Bhastrika Pranayama. So without any further ado, let's begin. Inhale fully into your chest. Exhale. Nine more. And one, hold the breath in, 30 seconds hold. Amazing, my friends. Now just allow the breath to come in normally. And as your breath slows down, we're going to get into the second pranayama. So the second round and the third round is variation of Tummo breathing. And we hold the breath in first round for 45 seconds, in the second round for 60 seconds. So here's the variation. Every 5th breath of the Tummo's breathing is going to be long one. And in this pranayama, we inhale and exhale through your nose. So without any further ado, let's begin the 40 breaths. Inhale. 4 and 5. 6. 9 and 10 long breath. 10 more. Hold the breath 45 seconds. Beautiful job. Allow the breath to come in and out normally. Sit in meditation for 30 seconds. Amazing, my friends. Now we get into the third round, Tummo's breathing. Breath hold is 60 seconds. So every fifth breath, you elongate. So without any further ado, let's begin. 3, 2, 1, inhale, exhale. Fifteen more. Holding for 60 seconds. Wonderful job, my friends. Now we end this practice with Bhramari Pranayama, humming bee breath, to distribute this energy we created into our whole body. So for Bhramari Pranayama, come into this mudra, 7 doors closing mudra, push the protruding part, inhale, and now exhale. You're going to create a humming sound in your hypothalamus, in your third eye region. Let's begin, 6th round. And come to sit in meditation for 30 seconds. Beautiful job, my friends. Now in this video, in this session, we trained our body to hold our breath for up to 60 seconds. So once you get comfortable with holding the breath for 60 seconds on inhale, you can move on to the next session, the 5th session. Until then, just practice this session. And if you're ready to elevate your practice, join our advanced masterclass available on our website, where we begin with the customized daily routine and go deeper into your breathwork sessions. Follow the link in the description below to sign up. Please don't forget to download your tracking journal for your progress. And if you think this video brought a little value into your life, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also benefit from the teachings of yoga and meditation into their life. Until next time, my name is Abi Dugal. Namaste, peace and love.